Alright, today we are going to be putting the Lindt cleaner to the test. This is a very short, quick unboxing showing you what you get inside the box here. Very simplistic packaging. Some instructions, I believe, on how to operate this. Here it is. We're going to connect this to my central vacuum and we're going to see if we can clean out some lint momentarily here. There are the nozzle connections. Let's put this device here to the test. So I'm not entirely sure if the camera's picking this up, but there's most definitely is some lint built up inside of there. So we're gonna shove this in there and suck it up with our vacuum. First things first, so we must connect this to our vacuum. Alright, now connecting this to our central vacuum here should be relatively simplistic and easy. Which, yeah, it's basically exactly how the photo shows it. Alright, so I'm not going to say what that looks like on there. But it is connected. Let me go ahead and power up the vacuum and let's get rid of some lint. Alright, so we definitely have suction. So we most definitely have suction here. Let's go ahead and get rid of some lint, shall we? Oh yeah. It's definitely doing as advertised, what it should be. Very, very easy to use, yet very, very effective. Oh, did you see that piece? You get the gist. This thing does what it's supposed to do. It works as advertised, folks. Not too bad, eh? Let me unplug that real quick.